Hello traders, so today is 23rd of February and I'm recording this video on the 5-minute trading analysis. So let's start trading. The rules are simple. We will try to trade with the trend. We will try to analyze the story out of the candlestick and we'll trade with using support and the resistance levels. We will use 15-second confirmation and margin of safety. So if you don't understand what I'm talking about, you can watch this video and understand everything, because I'm going to explain each and every concept in detail by taking trades. So let's start. So right now, as you can see, this is 5-minute candlestick. This chart is 5-minute candlestick chart. So we will try to trade with the trend, and I think we missed a trading opportunity here, but no problem. And our aim is to trade with the end of the candlestick. It means that our trade will finish with the finish of the candlestick. So our expiry time will be according to the candlestick. So now let's find some trading opportunity, then we will trade, then we will talk about the trade. So right now, okay, so let me, the last candlestick is a hammer and we can have a trade. Let me find the confirmation. Yes, we have the confirmation. I will place my trade. This is the confirmation. If I was a little before, I must have placed my trade here, which is a perfect point. So now let me explain my trade first, then we will move forward. So why I place my trade is because first you need to analyze the candlestick. If you look carefully, the last candle was a hammer, or you can see inverted hammer, and which is also a sign that market wants to go down. And the trend, if you look carefully, for the last 30 minutes it was going in the downward direction, which is also a sign that market wants to go down. Third thing, we have here a resistance level. So the resistance level supports that market will go more down. And fourth, as soon as the market hit the resistance level, we got the confirmation in the form of a red candle, you can see, and we have placed our trade with confirming all the rules. So we have placed our trade according to all these rules. And why we waited for the market to go a little more up is because we wanted to acquire a margin of safety. Let me explain what is margin of safety. Suppose our analysis says that market will go down after this candle. Okay, this resistance says that market wants to go down, the trend says that the market wants to go down. But if we have placed our trade here for a put, we must have lost this trade because this is a green candle. So what we do here, we waited for the market to go up a little and hitting a resistance level, which also supports that market cannot cross the level easily. And so we have placed our trade at this level to acquire a margin of safety from this level to this level, because placing a put here will be a risky thing, but placing a put here, getting a rejection from the resistance level and then putting the trade is like trading on a safer side. So this is why margin of safety is important. So now let's find one more trade and then we will try to, let's first find out the trade. And like here you can see the wick size is very large, and so I will not prefer trading these kinds of chart. The candlestick needs to be clean, like this and this. This is a big wick, which is sometimes confuses a lot of trader. So let's switch the chart, and here it's a trading opportunity, or the wick is very long, and so I don't want to trade here as well. But here, let me see, there must be news release, that's why this wick is very long, and same in that case as well. Let me check if there was news. Yes, there was news just 8 minutes before, and that's why there are candlestick with long wicks. So no problem, we will try to find trades. And one more thing, trading after news release is very risky. I do not support trading after news release, but as I have taken one trade, so I will take one more trade and then we'll finish the video, because trading in a market which faced some news is risky, because market does not support SNR when there is a news release. So I think we have an opportunity here. This was previously a resistance. This became a support level, and the last candle was also closed above, and yes, we missed a trade. Let me see if we have the confirmation as well. And yes, you can see this is the confirmation. This is actually the confirmation. This is the first confirmation. I will not treat this as confirmation. The first confirmation is important, and this is the first confirmation. So we kind of missed this trade, but no problem. We will try to find one more and then we'll finish the video. So let me take a trade. Let's wait for the result. I want this candle to finish fast so that we can analyze the story. Right now there is a resistance. You can see this is a resistance level. That's why the same candle reverses from that level. It was previously a support. You can look here, and after this candle crossed it, it became resistance. It worked here, and you can see the market reversed again from this level. Now let's wait for the candle to finish, and let's wait. Okay, it's moving fast, and here it tried to break but was not able to. So we can have a trading opportunity. Let me first increase the time so that our trade will finish with the end of this particular running candlestick. And now if you look carefully for the last three candlestick, it is a sign that this is a reversal and the market will continue to go up. So instead of placing a trade here, we will wait for the market to go down and hit this support level, and if we have the confirmation, then we will place our trade. So this is how it works. This is how we can acquire a margin of safety. And in this case, the market stopped at a resistance level, so I will not take any trade here. And here, okay, we can take trade. Okay, here we have an opportunity. So let me yes, this is a resistance. This was previously a resistance, and we can use this particular level as a support. So we will switch to 15-second chart. Let me explain. This is a pattern that shows that market wants to go up. Let me first take the trade, then I will explain the concept. So I'm waiting for a confirmation. I want the market to go let me select this. Okay, so now we will wait for the market to go down, hit this level, then we will take a trade if we have the proper confirmation. It is very important to have a good confirmation. Just placing a trade with any confirmation will not going to work. You need to have a solid confirmation so that you can trust the confirmation. Let's wait. I want to place the trade, then I will explain each and every aspect of this trade. So let's wait. Okay, so that as you can see, the market have crossed the level of support. It is trying to cross. I'm waiting for a confirmation, and as soon as we have the confirmation, we are in a condition to place a trade. We need the confirmation needs to be a solid confirmation. Okay, it again is trying. Okay, it is trying. I need a confirmation. Okay, this seems like a good confirmation. No, not now. Okay, it is a confirmation, but I will wait to have one more solid confirmation. This is a good confirmation, but not that I can trust this confirmation. I will wait. Okay, we need to have a good confirmation, and let's wait. We need a proper confirmation. Okay, okay, now we can wait. I think we are going to have a confirmation. No, not now. I will wait here for this candle. I'm ready to place my trade. Okay, no, we need to wait for this candle. I think we are not going to have the confirmation. Yes, this is the confirmation. So I place my trade. We have three green candle and the last was a hammer. So I place my trade. Let me explain you the trade, why I was interested in placing this trade. So if you look carefully, the last three candlestick are a sign that market wants to go up. Last two candlestick are very strong and green, and the best thing about this is this particular candle was very strong and was going you can see it was going too fast to this direction. So what the candlestick analysis was suggesting that market wants to go up. Second thing, what we did, we didn't place the trade here. We waited for the market to go down, and as soon as you can see, it hit this particular support level, which was previously a resistance. We got confirmation, but the confirmation was not satisfying. This was not the good confirmation. This also gets the rejection. And third, we got a hammer. And let me explain you one more concept why I placed this trade here. Let me first remove the line. If you look carefully here, this particular level is 0.782000, which is a whole number, and as I always explain that whole numbers are very strong when it comes to support and resistance, and this particular whole number is supporting the market. And as soon as you can see, it kind of crossed the level. This red candle crossed the level, but and the market again started to go more up, and this hammer formed at just at the support level. And so I placed a trade without any wait, and because I was very sure about the level. So in this case, in this particular trade, we have two important things. The trend, the particular candlestick pattern is suggesting market wants to go up, and second thing, we have a strong support level here. If you look carefully, the market is respecting this level for a previous so many times. Let me explain. You can see the market reverses from that particular level once, twice, thrice, 4, 5 times. It again, it crossed, then it worked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. It reverses again and again. You can see it worked again here, it worked again here. So these kinds of level are very strong when it comes to support or resistance level. Our story was suggesting market wants to go up. If you look carefully, the trend was downtrend for sure, but as I told you, if our candlestick analysis says that market can reverse, then we can go against the trend by using support and resistance and margin of safety. But you can only use it in the 5 minute time frame or bigger time frame. I'm not advising you to use the same concept in the 1 minute, because 1 minute is too fast to do these things. So you can apply these things. If you want to go against the trend, try to analyze the candlestick try to candlestick stories, and then using support and resistance and acquiring margin of safety, you can trade with the 15-second confirmation. The confirmation needs to be very good. In this case, we have very strong level, and the story was also suggesting market wants to go up. That's why I placed the trade. So we have taken 2 trades in this video, and the best thing is that we didn't lose any trade. And the 5 minute trading is very secure if you have the patience. So always try to keep yourself calm and think properly, because you don't have to win like 100 trades in a day to be a better trader. You can take 5 trades, and winning 5 trades can increase your confidence at much higher level than you can imagine. So with this note, I will finish this video here, and we'll make more videos in the coming time. Till then, keep trading, keep working hard, and don't forget the rules. Try to keep yourself calm, relaxed, and be patient. So good day.